Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will be showing you how a team of agents can use another team of agents via the tool function in Autogen Studio. So without further ado, let's begin. First, build your initial team, the team that will actually execute the task and do all the work. For this example, I went with a simple calculation team, which just consists of one agent and has one calculation tool, basically the default if you ever used Autogen Studio. So once you create, go and download the config.json and go back to your Visual Studio Code. In Visual Studio Code, you will do two things. The first is put your config there. The second is create a Docker file and
requirements.txt.
the Docker file is quite straightforward until you come to this line. This line, you have to be very careful with the port so the team can actually run on a Docker file. So once you do that, you build it. I already did. And if we go to Postman to test it, give it a second. See, it returns that our team is correctly hosted on a container and can be accessed using a URL. So with that done, we go back to our Autogen Studio and we build the tool. We chose to build the tool in the gallery for simplicity's sake. So the tool is built using Python, so it's straightforward. Keep a note, you just need the code for the tool. As for the imports, you go through here and, for example, type request to import request. Or if you want to import from another library, all you have to do is just from module, import the module name and the name of the import. Click add, save, and you will have the tool. So I made the other team. Now this team uses the other team that we already Dockerized as a tool. So let's test it. For example, let's write that is 1 plus 1. We keep it simple. So as you can see, it correctly used the tool, which is the other team, to give us a result. So this is basically how you do it. Of course, you can go more in depth, but let's keep it simple for now. And if you want to see the logs, here you go. These are the logs. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.